the longest staircase in the world on Mount Niesen, Switzerland. Welcome to Travel Top Sites. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell to receive the notification for our future videos. Climbing stairs is always not a pleasant business, especially if its length is no less than 3.5 kilometers. The longest staircase in the world is the Swiss Alps in the Canton of Bern. It is shaded all the way by the Niesen funicular Switzerland, which takes tourists to the top of the Swiss mountain Niesen. Niesen mountain, which has an almost regular pyramid shape, is located next to the picturesque alpine Lake Thun. Its height is 2,362 meters. Interestingly, when translated from German, low means sneezing. Due to the fairly clear pyramidal shape, Niesen mountain is often called the Swiss pyramid. The beautiful mountain in the Swiss Alps got into the Guinness Book of World Records not because of its name, appearance or location, but because it is here that the longest staircase in the world is located, which has 11,674 steps. In 1910, after 4 years of construction, Niesen funicular opened on the Mount Niesen. And to this day, he regularly raises tourists coming here to the top of the mountain to enjoy the beautiful alpine landscapes and of course Lake Thun. In parallel with the entire funicular lane, a staircase was also built. It was intended for technical work and allowed workers, if necessary, to climb any part of the Niesen track. Mount Niesen and Niesen funicular are popular attractions in Switzerland. Although the longest staircase in the world is located here, is usually closed to tourists. Once a year, it hosts the Niesen staircase race competition for high-speed ascent to Mount Niesen. An original consent has been held here since 1990. The record time for overcoming the 11,674 steps of the world's longest staircase is only an hour. If you like the information in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel Travel Top Sites. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.